Fourth tip solution by Dr. Sujata Mittal, Senior Gynec Oncologist. Ask 4 pertinent questions from your doctor before getting HPV vaccination for your child or your loved one. First and foremost, there are 14 high-risk types of the HPV DNA infection which can cause different types of the cancer, including cervical cancer, anal cancer, and oropharyngeal cancer. Vaccine is only against the 7. So ask your doctor if your child or your loved one gets the cancer against remaining 7, against which vaccine is not effective, how they will detect it, what will be the treatment modality, and how much is the chances of getting the cancer from remaining 7. Is the vaccine truly against the cancer or it is against the precancerous lesions which occur in stages? And the conversion of these precancerous lesions into the cancer is very slow and it takes time of around 5 to 10 to 15 years, and chances of getting these precancerous lesions converting into cancer is also very less, that is 4 to 5% cases only will get converted into the cancer. So ask your doctor, will it eliminate the need for the screening? For example, in cervical cancer we do the pap smear, we do LBC or high risk HPV DNA testing, and in oral cancers or anal cancer routine screening is checkup. Screening means checkup is required. Third, ask your doctor whether he or she is aware that this vaccine contains aluminium, it contains sodium borate, it contains polysorbate as in adjuvants. We don't eat sodium borate by mouth at all because it is very injurious to the lining of the stomach. So we are giving into the system of a child. So how it will affect the system, what will be the side effects, and suppose the side effects occurs, what will be the treatment. Fourth, last but not the least, is there any compensation program in India if the side effects occurs? And ask your doctor whether he or she is maintaining the data of all the patients to whom he or she is vaccinating and whether she has encountered any child who has come with a side effect. So before giving vaccination, ask this question, read yourself, search the literature, and then vaccinate your child with the vaccines.